Ooh, good morning. Eighth graders, it is 9:57 a.m. I don't know what class you're in, but it's not this one. It's second period, and I'm on my planning period, and I'm already going to record your homework for tonight because we're continuing with math testing today. So therefore, I will continue your homework on video and make sure I get that up there early on Heart Academy. All right, so here we go. So for tonight's homework, what we're going to do is actually construct our own stem and leaf plot first, and then answer questions about that stem and leaf plot. All right. So here it is. And as you know, of course, the first thing that we're going to do is put the numbers in order. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in order. I'm going to do it, across here somewhere because that way you can see everything easier. All right, I'm going to start over here. My lowest number is 28. Let me start that again. All right, 28.3. Then there's another 28.3. 28.7, 28.8, and there's a 28.9. Okay, that's it for 28s. Then I am going to 29s. I have a 29 point nothing, straight 29. I like to put it as 0.0. 29.0, okay, 29.2, 29.5, and there should be 3 29.6. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So, and then 29.6. I'm continue over here. 29.6 and 29.6. And then we go into the 30s. I have 30, so 30.0. And then there's a 30.6, which is right there, 30.6. Okay, so these are all those numbers that you see in the background in order. And, sorry for the messy handwriting, y'all get the deal. What I like to do first is highlight the ones place, because remember the ones place are the stems. So when it comes to decimal, the first number after the decimal is going to count for the leaf. So that's here, 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 and here. And what that leaves me is the number before the decimal is going to be a stem. As you can see, our first stem is 28. Okay, and the leaf. Another 3, 7. Okay, so, and then I have an 8 and a 9. Okay, that takes care of the stems for 28.9. 28.9. Good. So that takes care of all the stems and leaves for the stem 28. All the leaves that go with it. 3, 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then it looks like I have a 29 here, so that's 29. All right, so with a 29, I have 29, which was 29.0. Make sure you put that 0 in there. 29.2, 29.5, 29.6. Remember, there's 3 6s. And that takes care of that. And then your next stem will be 30. So 30, which is 0.0, and 30.6. So that takes care of all your stems and leaves. And to average, the key is simple. Change what you see from the stem and the leaf into a decimal, so 28.3. But you don't have to worry about that so much. Now we can answer the questions. Okay? The rest of the questions, I'm going to get rid of this so you can, so I can move it around easier a little bit. There, that's all I need is right in here. So question number 1 says, what is the highest average age among the teams? Okay, highest average age among the teams. Let me put this back so you can see it easier. Okay, so the highest average age is basically the highest number that we have in our stem and leaf plot. As you see, the highest number is 30.6. So that would be the answer for number 1. Answer for number 1 is going to be 30.6 years. 30.6. 30.6. All right. So question number 2, I'm going to erase this, put this back so you can see it better, and bring up question number 2. Here we go. There, we can kind of see that better like that. Okay, so question number 2 says, how many teams participated in Major League Baseball? Remember, the leaves count as an item. In this case, we're counting the leaves as a team. Okay, so if we count all of them, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Number 3, what is the median of the given data? If you remember from mean, median, and mode, median is the middle number. So in order for me to figure out the middle number, all I have to do is start crossing them out. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. See that? Mine is going to be 29.2 because that's going to be the middle one. So I have 29.2. My next question, what is the average age of the players participating in a major league? Remember, average is when we add up all of our items and divide by how many numbers we see. So if we add up all of our items going this way, we would have 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 0 plus 6. And then divide by how many teams that we have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So add that up, divide by 13, you should get about 29.9. 29.2 rather. Okay? You can do that math part for you. I ain't going to do that one. Question number 5. How many teams have the average ages of 28 and 29? You know what? 8th graders, I'm going to leave you to do the question number 5 by yourself. All right, so flip your page over and I'll start you on the next side. Okay, 8th graders, this is side 2 of your homework tonight. And so I'm sitting here in 3rd period with Davis, my number 1 7th grader. So here's the thing. Right now, Davis and I are the only ones in class. He's a cool kid. We're sitting right next to each other like we're co-workers. He's got a desk right next to mine. I'm feeling pretty proud of this kid. Okay, so I'm going to hurry up and put these in order for you. And this question is talking about the height of building and streets are given here in feet. Okay, let's put those in order. So my smallest number is 45. 130. 452. There's 2 of them. 452. Is that comma? 454, then 482, and 486, 501, 504, 505, 508. Let's see, and then we have 572, and then 658. There they are. From lowest to smallest, and remember what I like to do first is highlight the ones place, which is the last digit of each number, like this. Because when you highlight the ones place, you know what the stems are. And that means the tens place and hundreds place are you know what the leaves are. The tens place and hundreds place are the stems. The highlighted ones place are the leaves. So my first 10 is 45. Okay? And that makes 450. Then 452, which is there twice. 454. And that's it for the 45s. Now I'm going to go to 48. You want some scrap paper. Don't get that wrong. Better do some scrap paper. And this kid is great, you guys. I don't know if y'all know Davis or not. Let's give him a cameo. Does he look just like me? I'm calling him my son. Okay. I always wanted a blonde-headed kid. I'm crazy. Sorry. 48. Okay, so 48 we have 482. And then we have 486. All right, our next one is, David, you can find all the scrap paper and stuff on the thing behind the door. I'll put it out there. Okay. Oh, that's right. You like blank paper, right? All right. Use the back of the staple packet. So I have 501, 504, 505, and 508. Okay. If you use the packet, the ones with the squares on it, those are blank on the back.
Okay.
And then Davis is always freezing too. This kid always puts my thermostat at 90 degrees. Now, you know I don't let nobody get away with that except him. 90 degrees. Is he crazy? She'll just come right on in and just turn it on off to turn the heat. He's over here shivering like a little mouse. Oh, I can't freeze him out. Okay. And then let's see. Our next one is 57. So that's 572. And then 65, and that would be 658. So 1458, 572, 658. Just making sure I had all my numbers. So now I'm all good to go up there, and just so I can get this out of the way and cleared, because we don't need this part anymore. Because now all we have to do is answer the questions. Okay, so question number 1 says, what is the height of the second tallest building? Well, what is the height of the second tallest building? The tallest building, as you can see, is 658. Okay? So the second tallest must be this one, 572. What is the range of the given data? Remember, range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number. So my largest number is 658. My smallest number is 450. Subtract. You should get 208 feet. How many buildings have the same height? All right, same height. So basically, we're looking for a mode, the most frequent number that we have in this set. All right, so if I look in the 45s, I have 542 twice. I have 572 once, or 482 once. So this one is going to be the mode because you can see that number there twice. So 542, okay. And how many buildings? I don't want to put 542. How many times do we see the mode? We see it twice. Okay, question number 4. What is the difference in height between the third tallest and the fifth tallest building? All right, this is the tallest, so that makes it number 1. Number 2, third tallest is here, so that's 58. So that's the third tallest and the fifth tallest. If that's the third tallest, this is the fourth tallest, this is the fifth tallest. So that's 54. Subtract the 2, you will get 4 feet. Question number 5 is, what is the average height of buildings on the street? Remember, average means you're going to add up all your items, add up all your leaves, divide by how many leaves you see. So you would do, because you're doing this one on your own, 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus, and it'll be 550 plus 552 plus 552 plus 554 plus 482 plus 486 plus 501 plus 504, etc. Adding all these, basically all these numbers up, divide by how many we see, and you will get your average for number 5. That one you can complete on your own. See you tomorrow.